You spent millions of dollars building a car wash. You hired staff, you bought equipment, you got permits, you built the tunnel. And on opening day, you had 47 cars. Not 470, 47. The next day, 62. By the end of week one, you've washed maybe 400 cars total. You did the math in your head, and at this rate, you're not going to hit your projections for years. The bank is calling, your investors are nervous, and you're lying awake at night thinking, what did I do wrong? Well, let me tell you what you did wrong. And more importantly, if you're planning on another location or if you're trying to course correct after a disappointing opening, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Because here's the truth. Grand openings don't fail because of bad locations or bad timing. They fail because operators start marketing after they open instead of before. Now let's talk about what really happened. Your grand opening was a flop, low car counts, weak membership sales. You're starting from zero instead of starting strong. You feel like a failure, you're embarrassed, you're scared you made a massive mistake, and you're wondering if you should have even opened this location at all. And worst of all, if you're planning on another location, you're terrified of going through this again. Here's what's really happened. Most operators think about marketing like this. We'll open the doors, we'll put out some signs, we'll run some Facebook ads, we'll do a radio spot, and people will come. And then opening day arrives, you're standing there, you're ready, you're excited, you're nervous, and crickets. A few cars trickle in, mostly people who are just curious, some tire kickers, and a handful of real customers. By noon, you're panicking. By the end of the day, you're deflated. And here's why this happened. You tried to create demand after you opened, but demand takes time to build. The successful car washes built demand before they opened. So when opening day came, they weren't hoping people would show up. They were texting 5,000 people who'd been waiting for them to open. And that's the difference. Most operators treat grand openings like a light switch. Flip it on and hope the lights come on. But winning operators treat grand openings like building pressure in a dam. You build and build and build for 90 days. And when opening day comes, you release the flood. So how do you do this? How do you make sure your next grand opening or your recovery from a bad one is completely different? Here's 3 strategies, and let me walk you through them. Strategy number 1, build your text club starting 6 months out. This is the most critical mistake operators make. They think, we'll build our text club after we open. Wrong. Your text club should be thousands of people deep before you wash your first car. And you need time to do that. Ideally, you want to start 6 months before opening, at minimum 90 days. But the more runway you have, the bigger your list will be. So here's how. 6 months out, or as early as possible, launch a Join the VIP list campaign. Your offer, be the first to know when we open, get exclusive founding member pricing, and your first wash free. Run Facebook ads and Google ads targeted to your local area. Create a simple landing page. Coming soon, join our VIP list and get your first wash free. The messages, we're opening soon, and if you join our text club now, you'll get special deals that nobody gets and your first wash free. Partner with local apartment complexes. Offer residents early access if they join the text club. Sponsor a local sports team. Give every member a chance to join your VIP list to get their first wash free. Do giveaways. You can say join our text club for a chance to win free washes for a year. Your goal, get 5,000 to 10,000 phone numbers before you open. Here's a real example. One of our OptSpot clients started building her text club 6 months before they opened. They ran a geo-targeted ad, partnered with local apartment complexes. They did giveaways. By opening day, they had almost 8,000 people on their text club. When they sent the opening day text, they washed over 600 cars on day 1. Not 47, over 600. And here's the best part. Those weren't random strangers hoping for a deal. Those were engaged locals who'd been waiting for them to open. Many became members that first week. That's what happens when you build demand before you open. Strategy number 2, pre-sell memberships with a founding members offer. Don't wait until you open to sell memberships. Sell them before you open. And here's why this works. People love being first. They love exclusivity. They love locking in a special price. So 60 days before you open, launch this Founders Club. It can be a founding members only. Lock in unlimited washes at $24.99 a month for your first year. This rate is only available until we open. After that, it's $34.99. Here's what this does. 1, it generates cash flow before you open. Then it locks in recurring revenue from day 1. It creates urgency, a limited time offer. It builds a base of loyal customers who feel invested in your wash. Make it exclusive, make it special, and make it limited. Only 500 founding member spots available. This offer ends the day we open. Lock in your rate now before it goes up. Another example, same client. They launched their founding member campaign 60 days before opening. They pre-sold 274 memberships before opening day. That's almost $7,000 in monthly recurring revenue as soon as they washed their first car. And those 274 members, they became evangelists. They told their friends, they showed up opening week, and they brought people with them. They didn't just buy memberships, they bought into the story. They became part of the opening. That's the power of pre-selling memberships. Strategy number 3, create countdown urgency. So as you get closer to opening, ramp up your communication through your text club. 60 days out, you can say 60 days until we open. Founding member pricing ends soon. 30 days out, 1 month to go, only 50 founding member spots left. 14 days out, 2 weeks. Have you locked in your unlimited membership rate yet? 7 days out, opening in 7 days. Final call for founding members. And then 3 days out, grand opening this Saturday. Be there to get your first wash free. On opening day, we're open. Come see us today and get your first wash free. Every message builds anticipation. Every message drives action. You're not just reminding people you exist, you're building momentum. By the time you open, people aren't discovering you for the very first time. They're waiting for you. They've been hearing about you for months. They're already joined your VIP list. Some have already bought memberships. On opening day, it isn't, will people show up? Opening day is, here they come, get ready. That's the difference between hope-based marketing and strategic marketing. So here's the bottom line. Your grand opening didn't fail because of your location. It didn't fail because of your pricing, and it didn't fail because of your equipment. It failed because you tried to create demand after you opened instead of before. So here's how to fix it. If you're opening a new location, first, start building your text club 6 months before you open, or as early as possible, at minimum 90 days. The goal, again, is 5,000 or more contacts. 2, pre-sell memberships with your founding member offer. The goal is 200 to 500 members before opening day. And 3, create a countdown urgency with regular text leading up to the opening. Do this, and opening day won't be a prayer, it'll be a victory lap. If your last opening flopped and you're trying to recover, the good news is it's not too late. You can apply this same strategy to your existing location. Build your text club now, offer a founding member 2.0 campaign to your existing customers, create urgency around locking in pricing before your next rate increase. You're not starting over, you're starting smarter. Now, if you want help executing this, if you want the exact ads, landing pages, text sequences that we use for grand openings, go to OptSpot.com and schedule a call with us because we do grand openings and go-to-market campaigns for all of our customers. We've helped hundreds of car washes open strong with 7,000 plus text club members and 300 plus pre-sold memberships before opening day. But whether you work with us or not, remember this. Grand openings don't happen on opening day. They happen 6 months before. Build demand first, then open the doors. That's how you win. I'll see you next week.